Welcome to Interface Tips and Tricks for OpenRoads Designer. The first tip is minimizing the ribbon. This is very helpful when working on a laptop or there's just not enough screen area for your work. Double-clicking on any tab will function the same way. Customizing the quick access toolbar is one of the best methods of making tools readily available. Having the new command in the quick access toolbar will save time when a new file needs to be created. The new buttons will not show up in the quick access toolbar until the apply button is pressed. The position of the button can be moved up and down in the dialog, which correlates directly with the quick access toolbar left to right. The buttons located at the top right of the dialog can be used to change the button to the desired location. Split buttons have a pull-down on the side that should be treated like a setting for the actual button. Here we are adding the level display and models split buttons to the quick access toolbar. Here's the new file, here's the level display, and the models. Next to each split button, you'll see there's a command and then a command flyout. The command will give you a dialog box that can be docked and closed. The flyout will provide an instance of the dialog. When the cursor is moved away, the dialog will automatically close. The size of the flyout is controlled by the size of the dialog when opened fully. So here, if we go in and resize the level display dialog, we can change the column size, the width of the dialog, the height of the dialog, and when we launch the flyout adheres to those sizes we chose earlier. Keyboard shortcuts. Hitting the spacebar will give you this pop-up. The top row and the bottom row are groups within the ribbons. The middle row is actual tools. 2024 introduces a recent tab in the same pop-up. Q on the keyboard will launch the list version of that same dialog. 1 through 7 is the top row, Q through U is the middle row, and A through L is the bottom row. Here we're going to Settings, Preferences to turn on the setting called Position Mapping. Toggling this on and hitting OK will change the behavior of the keyboard shortcuts within ORD. Notice the letter within the parentheses. This is the hotkey that you can use to launch that group wherever the cursor is. Spacebar still functions. However, hitting Q now does not give us the list version of it, but will give us the selection group.